Skylark Field, Killeen. Automated weather observation. 190 Zulu. Wind variable at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature missing. Dew point missing. Altimeter 3033.
Even when I am not there.
Skylark traffic, Mooney M20C Victor is departing traffic pattern to the south. Skylark. Climbing at 900 feet per minute. Go ahead and put RPMs back to 2,500. Manifold pressure to 25. And that is called squaring. Nice little climb going on here. We'll check our performance charts one more time. Boost pump comes off. And we'll pick up the weather in Georgetown.
Georgetown Tower 8, this information Yankee 1755 Zulu weather. Wind 330 at Niner, wind variable 270 to 010. Visibility 10, sky conditions clear below on 2000. Temperature 19, dew point 0, altimeter 3040. Pressure approaching you, plane departing runway 36. Bird advisories are in effect. Before departing aircraft, advise ground control direction of flight. Advise ground control if you need to run up. First contact advise you have ATIS Yankee.
And we have information Yankee. Tower control is going to be 120.22. We're approximately 14 miles to the north.
November 2446 November, holding short runway 36, requesting a delayed takeoff. Short delayed takeoff.
Number 2446 November, Georgetown Tower, hold short runway 36 for landing traffic.
Hold short 36 for landing traffic, November 2446 November.
And Georgetown Tower, Mooney M20C Victor, approximately 13 to the north, looking for a full stop landing with information Yankee.
November 9246 Victor, Georgetown Tower, enter a right downwind runway 36.
Right downwind for 3646 Victor. Alright, so 36 is the active runway.
November 9246 Victor, squawk 0616.
0616, 46 Victor. Oh, it's extraordinarily bumpy up here at 35. Georgetown Tower, 676 here, echoes 10 miles to the west, inbound Yankee, full stop.
Citation 9 November, Mike, right on Bravo, contact ground.
Right on Bravo, over to ground 9 Mike.
Looks like there's some stuff going on in the pattern down here. Busy midday, that's okay, I like it. About 1800 is pattern altitude here, so we'll go ahead and start setting up. Get her down some. So like I said, as we're on approach here, there's a slight small fuel leak on the left tank. It only comes into effect when it's over 3/4 of the way full, which is why I chose to fly with half tanks today on both sides. Like I said earlier, it's only an 11-minute flight, so we didn't need anywhere close to that amount of fuel, but always better to be safe than to be sorry. Taking it down here to G&B Aviation. They are going to patch up the tank. Shout out to Brad, I think that was his name. I talked to him on the phone the other day. And we're going to make it work. We're going to make it happen. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, because I do want this bad boy back to take it to Vegas. Alright, entering the right tailwind. We're going to go ahead and put the gear down. Gear comes down. That should slow us down significantly.
Georgetown Tower, Archer 82554, holding short of 36.
Archer 2554, Georgetown Tower. On departure flight runway heading, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Depart runway heading, clear for takeoff 3682554.
Alright, boost pump coming on. Gears down, we'll double check that again. Runway is to our right side.
Number 46, Victor, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles, inbound on the final, report traffic inside.
Looking for the traffic, 46 Victor. Don't have it. Don't have it.
Number 46, Victor, traffic's off your right wing, short final.
Still looking for the traffic. Oh, do we have it inside? 46 Victor.
Number 46, Victor, number 2, runway 36, clear to land.
Number 2436, clear line, 46 Victor.
Number 2554, proceed on course and contact us in departure.
On course, contact departure. Which turnout would you like me to do, 554?
Left turn, that's fine.
Alright, left turnout and contact departure, 82554, good day.
Alright, on the base load, we'll go ahead and drop a notch of flaps. Slow us down some here. And we will turn final. Taking out flaps.
Number 6, Sierra Echo, right on Juliet, contact ground.
Gears down, boost pumps on.
Tower, can I take Delta 60 Echo?
Right on Delta, contact ground.
Delta to ground, 60 Echo, thanks.
Oh yeah. Alright, last notch flaps. Flaps are full in. Runway's in sight.
Georgetown Tower, career check 357. We are 11 miles from the east with information Yankee requesting a full stop to terminate.
Clear track 357, Georgetown Tower. Enter a right down runway 36.
Right downwind for 36, career check 357.
And clear track 357, 50627.
Yeah, we'll have to lay that buddy down, man. That one got us. Alright, we're gonna keep rolling.
Number 46, Victor, right on Juliet, contact ground.
Right on Juliet, contact ground, 46 Victor.
Georgetown Tower, good afternoon. 514 Papa Romeo is on the RNAV 36 approach.
November 514 Papa Romeo, Georgetown Tower, report final approach fix.
Report final approach fix, 514 Papa Romeo.
And Georgetown ground, Mooney M20C, 46 Victor, exited runway Juliet, looking for the taxi to JB Aviation.
Mooney M20C, Victor, Georgetown ground. What you say you going again, sir?
GMB Aviation, 46 Victor.
Roger, B and G, right, you taxi Alpha Fox.
Taxi via Alpha Fox, 46 Victor. I said GMB. Alright, so I got it wrong. It's B&G Aviation, not GMB Aviation. Alright, y'all, we made it.